Hey everyone, and welcome to another deep dive. Today we're talking healthy snacks.
Healthy snacks, yeah.
And I am so ready for this one.
Well, you came to the right place.
I am always looking for good snacks.
Of course, who isn't?
Especially healthy ones that you know actually make you feel good.
Right, not just the quick sugar rush.
Exactly. So we're going to be diving into all things nuts.
Nuts.
I love nuts.
Me too.
But I feel like I'm kind of stuck in a rut with my,
Yeah. What are your go-tos?
cashews and almonds.
That's a good start, though.
Yeah, they're good, but I'm ready for some new inspiration.
Okay. I think we can definitely help you out with that.
Perfect.
So we've got some good info lined up here.
Yeah, we're looking at this article all about the benefits of snacking on nuts.
Right. And it's not just about they taste good.
Oh, I know. Tell me about it.
There's some really interesting stuff in here about how they can actually improve your health.
Okay, I'm all ears.
Yeah. So one thing that stood out to me was how nuts can help with those mid-afternoon energy slumps.
Oh my gosh, yes please.
You know that feeling.
3 o'clock hits and I am dragging.
Exactly. And you just want to reach for something sugary
Exactly.
to try to pick yourself back up.
Exactly.
But the thing is, nuts can actually help prevent that from happening in the first place.
Really?
Yeah, it's because they have this awesome combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats.
Okay.
And that combo keeps you feeling full and satisfied for a lot longer.
So it's not just empty calories.
Nope, not at all. They actually help regulate your blood sugar levels, too.
Which is huge.
Exactly.
Because then you don't get those crazy spikes and crashes.
Exactly. It's all about sustained energy.
I like that sustained energy.
Yeah.
Okay, what else have we got?
Okay, so another thing they talked about in here was weight management.
Okay, so I always thought of nuts as being kind of calorie dense.
I hear that a lot.
So how does that fit into weight management?
Yeah, that's a common misconception because they are calorie rich.
Right.
But those calories are coming from the good stuff, the healthy fats and the protein. Oh, okay.
And remember how we were talking about feeling fuller for longer?
Right.
That plays a big role here too, because when you're not constantly hungry, you're less likely to overeat.
Makes sense.
Yeah, and there's actually research showing that people who regularly include nuts in their diets tend to have healthier body weights.
Interesting. So it's not just about the calories themselves, it's how those calories affect your body.
Exactly.
Okay. That is really fascinating, and I love that.
Yeah.
Okay, so the article is really emphasizing raw, unsalted nuts.
Yes.
I gotta know, is that just a taste thing, or is there actually a difference?
It's definitely more than just taste.
Okay.
When nuts are processed roasted or flavored or salted,
Right.
they often go through these methods that can actually strip away some of the good stuff.
Oh, really?
Like roasting, for example, can destroy some of those beneficial vitamins and antioxidants.
Oh, no.
I know.
That's not good.
And then the added sugars and salt, well,
Yeah, those are not helping anyone.
definitely not. Okay, so raw unsalted. That's what we're going for.
For sure.
Okay, so let's talk about the actual nuts.
Yes.
So we've got almonds, Brazil nuts, cashews, hazelnuts, pecans, walnuts.
So many good ones.
Are there any all-star MVPs in terms of nutrition?
Oh, all nuts have their own strengths,
Oh, for sure.
But one that I always come back to is the walnuts.
Walnuts.
They're an amazing source of ALA omega-3 fatty acids.
Okay.
And get this, your body actually converts ALA into DHA and EPA,
I'm listening.
which are the types of omega-3s that are super important for brain health.
Wait, so snacking on walnuts can actually help my brain function better.
It can.
Whoa, that is amazing. I am sold.
It's pretty cool.
That's awesome.
It's like brain food.
Okay. I'm definitely going to have to add some more walnuts into my snack rotation.
I think you should.
So I've got to be honest. I'm definitely guilty of just grabbing whatever's quickest and easiest when I get hungry.
I think we all do that.
But you know what? Now I'm thinking I really need to rethink my snack strategy.
I think that's a good idea.
Because like you were saying, nuts, they are so convenient.
They are.
They're portable.
You can just throw them in your bag.
Yeah. And they give you that sustained energy.
That's the key.
Not the sugar rush and crash.
No, exactly.
Okay. I am convinced.
Good.
So to recap, nuts are a fantastic snack option that can actually make you healthier.
Yes.
They're great for managing hunger. They can help support a healthy weight. And they can even boost your brain function.
All that in a tiny package.
And we learned that raw, unsalted is the way to go.
The best way.
For the most nutritional benefit.
Absolutely.
Okay. Any final thoughts?
Yeah, I would just say, don't be afraid to branch out and try different types of nuts.
Yeah.
See what you enjoy, experiment with different combinations,
Like a little trail mix situation.
Exactly. And most importantly, pay attention to how they make you feel, because that's what really matters,
Oh, I love that.
Make healthy snacking a delicious part of your everyday life.
Perfect. I am so ready to up my snack game.
I think you're going to do great.
Thank you so much for all this amazing info.
Of course, my pleasure.
This was a really good deep dive.
I agree.
I'm ready for a snack break.
Me too.
Thanks for joining us.